No, it's not in the car.
I saw it. Good morning everyone. It's another Sunday and we are going on Macy's or Tyson's Corner to do our Christmas shopping. So let's go.
Hope all is well. I'll try to give you a call back later on our way home. Bye. How much is that?
Ayan. Bumili na ako ng jacket kasi malamig pero sinuot ko na. Pagkabayad, suot agad. And there's Derek buying jacket for her mother, for his mother. And this is me wearing my jacket. Ayan, tapos na kaming mamili and we're going out. Nandito na uli kami sa tuk-tuk.
Pay here to exit. Pay where?
Ng rooftop. You need to scan that code. Pay here to exit. Yeah. See you in a while for the haul. stop over sa Harris Teeter para magbili ng itlog.
Oh, look at Lexi.
Yeah. We're done sa Harris Teeter and bumili lang kami ng alak at soda panghalo sa vodka at saka itlog at saka salad, and that's it. Pauwi na kami. We are home and we are going to do the haul. Excuse me for our blankets because you know it's winter here, and yeah, when we're watching TV naka blanket kami para hindi malamig. So yun na nga, galing kami sa Pentagon City and we went on a Christmas shopping, but for me, it's not just Christmas shopping because this January we are going to the Philippines, and instead of doing the pasalubong, which is normal like other people who do chocolates and stuffs, I don't do chocolates because after eating the chocolates, wala na siya. So this is what I bought from the shopping that we did in Pentagon kanina. So first, I'm going to show you this haul. This is a Levi's jacket. Inalis ko na yung mga tags kasi like I'll show you in the photo here. Nagpunta kami sa Pentagon City and I'm just wearing my wool long sleeve from Old Navy, and apparently malamig kasi yesterday and today maulan, so I thought it wouldn't be that cold, but you know it's cold there. So nung dumating kami doon, I bought this and sinuot ko na siya. Yeah, it's beige Levi's with like parang mabalahibo siya sa loob, and it's warm. And the other one is, I didn't buy this kasi I just took this from the rack. It's a Calvin Klein jacket, but Derek paid for this one. Binayaran niya to. It's $150. And I got it for free kasi binayaran ni Derek. Yeah, and my pasalubongs are this. This is not pasalubong. This is this is our Christmas gift for the girl who is taking care of our dogs. Every time na umaalis kami for like minimum 3 days to a month or 3 weeks kasi she is walking our dogs, and iniiwan namin ang susi ng bahay and she will have access to the house, and we're paying her, pero still last time when I told her na baka umuwi kami ng Pilipinas and if she wants something from there, she just asked na she wants for pearls. The other one is a necklace. This is for my nephew. It's a butterfly necklace, sterling silver. Next is another sterling silver, but this is for my mom. It's a cross by Charlotte and Lexi. It's for my mom. This one is a sterling silver with a pearl also, with a Marian medal. I hope you could see it. And this would be for my niece also, and inaanak na siya ang umaayos ng mga finances ko sa Pilipinas. And this one is doon sa pamangkin ng sister-in-law ko. And sadly, pumanaw na yung kanyang mother, and ever since that day, my sister-in-law and my brother is the one taking care of her, and bininyagan siya lately, and I didn't and was not able to come there, kaya this would be her Christmas gift and pasalubong. And this one also is a sterling silver earring. Kulay gold lang siya, from Rachel So. And this is for my sister-in-law. Yeah, she's the one whom I send the money for my mother. One more. A cubic zirconia earring. It is tagged for my mom, but I don't think that I will give this to mommy because I still have like 2 nieces. This would be for my mom. And this is another cubic zirconia sterling silver earring. Same dun sa isa. Wala siyang name kasi I still have 2 nieces na I don't know if they will be there pag uwi ko. So, just to make sure na I have something for them. And this is for my youngest sister. Yan. Mahilig siya sa mga ganyan. Sterling silver na yung malalaki. Actually, maliit pa ito. She wanted more, far more bigger than this. Kasi yan ang mga trip niya, yung mga malaki-laking mga ala-alahas, parang Japan. And this is the last one. This is the most precious thing I got. It's a sterling silver also na rosary. You know. Yeah, so that is my Christmas shopping. I know I didn't bought a lot because there are still coming days that, you know, they will mark down the prices. So before we go to the Philippines, marami pa kaming bibilhin na pasalubong